Hello everyone! This week I decided on how to proceed with the first chapter in my horror novel. This week I'm focusing on the book goal, and the goal of the week is to write every day. This has been a little bit of a problem the last couple of weeks, so I'm hoping it will work this time. Process-wise, it's been a pretty tough week, both with things going on at work and so on, but also the strain I might have talked about last time. It's been getting a little bit worse. So I feel this thing in my hand. This looks worse than it is actually, but I really don't want it to get worse because I realize I use my hands for a lot of the things that I do. So I did not do any training during Tuesday or Thursday because I'm using the dumbbells and they are pretty heavy. And during Friday I did not run, partially because I go to the outdoors gym and do things there in the middle of the running, but also because I played badminton during the evening, which might feel strange when you feel a strain here, but it went okay. But the Friday running is quite important for me to feel progression, so I did that during Sunday instead, and ran 6k, and 3 of them were in the pace that I will need to run to be able to finish 10k under 50 minutes. Book-wise, I have been rewriting a couple of scenes in the horror novel, and I also had a discussion with some friends about this first chapter, what to do with it. So in the end, the result of that discussion was that because the novel being quite short, currently just 40,000 words, you probably want to get the sense of what kind of horror story it is from the beginning. So it's okay to have that in the first chapter too. And then what I'm also trying to do is to use that sequence to add more like character and theme to the story. Film-wise, I watched 2 movies this week. I watched They Will Not Grow Old, the Peter Jackson World War I documentary, where they have recolored old footage from that war and also play it in like a normal frame rate, so it looks like modern footage in a way. If you have watched a couple of World War I documentaries, you probably already know the stuff that they talk about, but it was absolutely more engaging when it feels like that those people could be people living now. But I'm not sure that you need to go to the cinema to watch it. I think you can wait until it comes out on whatever service you can watch from home. Then I also got to watch a movie I've been wanting to see for a long time called Alita. It's one of the first feature-length sci-fi movies ever made, 3 years before Metropolis. So this was made in 1924. And it's about scientists who goes to Mars, where they kind of start a revolution. I was kind of hoping for it to be more political. In the end, it kind of feels kind of bland, but it's pretty cool with all the special effects and set designs and costumes and things that they used. Kind of like Metropolis, it's the same feeling, but Russian instead of German. Game-wise, I have not done anything, but record-wise, I've been playing some more guitar. These kinds of weeks are great for me to do that. I sat and watched some videos from Justin Guitar, and he had a couple of videos about variations on some like regular chords, like the D chord, and that got me thinking about how to change a few things in one of the songs that I have been writing for some time. I also worked on the chorus with that song. That's the big problem with it. I had a chorus that I really liked, but then I got some feedback that it kind of felt like the verse. So I tried to change the chorus, but it still doesn't feel the way I wanted to. And then this week I figured out a new chorus, a really nice chord progression, which I later realized was the first chorus. In one of my other songs, I already have a chorus, but the verse is the problem. And I've been working on this for years, every now and then. And I think I might actually have found a good verse this time. So it will be exciting to try to make it all fit together a little bit more and maybe record a demo of it soon. So for an evaluation, this week has been okay, even if it's been a little bit chaotic. I have been writing almost every day, and the workout, even if I haven't been working out every day, I've actually done it 4 times this week, so it's still pretty good compared to what I'm used to. It was also really nice to have a good discussion with friends about the horror novel, and I think I will discuss it a little bit more because it helps a lot to talk with people that inspires you. Next week I will probably continue with trying to write frequently instead of deciding on a specific scene or so. And that is what I had for this week. So if you liked what you saw, then please give me a thumb up. And if you have any comments or questions, please comment below. And if you want to continue to follow my journey in reaching my 4 creative goals before I reach 40, then please subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you soon.